We have arrived at the park, close to Moreno Valley. Check it out. It's a beautiful view, guys. Beautiful view. So we're gonna release now. It's about 20 miles. Let's do the job. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. It's a wrap, guys. Try to get home before they do. Peace.